Let us learn this. We used to express this word wrongly. Like people will say, Akigba Àkàtà lówó akiti. That is not the right way to express it. It is Akigba Àkàkà lówó akiti. Àkàkà is, you know, a tree that has many hands. Igi tó ga tó dẹ̀ ní ọwọ́ tó pọ̀. That is what Yoruba is calling Àkàkà. Akiti is a type of monkey. Ọ̀bọ ni wọ́n máa sábà ń pè ní akiti. So when they say Akigba Àkàkà lọ́wọ́ akiti, that means you cannot take what is my right. You cannot take my right from me. You can never by force or force me to leave what is mine to you. Akigba Àkàkà lọ́wọ́ akiti. That is the right way to express it. So, all of us know that the tree and monkey are 5 and 6. It's right to, climb monkey and do all that. But for Àkàtà, I've never heard something called Àkàtà before. Or maybe what Àkàtà really means is, what do we call it? Roof of an house. But my research shows that there is nothing like Àkàtà in Yoruba. It is Àkàkà, not Àkàtà.